my name is Neha Deepak Shah and you guys are watching me on L Table Talk, and today we are going to be making a super easy strawberry and banana pudding. So let's begin. So the first step for making the pudding is, here I have some custard powder. So I'm adding the custard powder to a bowl. To this custard powder, I'm going to be adding milk at room temperature. So this is the measured quantity of the total milk that I'll be using. So I'm adding some partial milk from this into the custard. So I'm dissolving the custard powder. So now this is done and you can set this aside. Next, in a saucepan, I'm going to start cooking the milk. So I'm adding some milk to the saucepan. This is the same milk that I had earlier. Once the milk becomes slightly warm, you need to add the custard mixture. So add the custard mixture in stages. Make sure you're not adding all of it together. Whenever you're adding this custard mixture, make sure you're constantly stirring the milk. The entire cooking process has to happen on low flame. Add all the custard mix and keep on stirring. Slowly, as the milk heats up, you will see that the custard is going to start to thicken. At this stage, make sure you're constantly stirring and your flame is low. It will take nearly 5 to 6 minutes for the custard to be ready. Once the custard has thickened, you can add the sugar. In case you don't want to add sugar, you can always add honey, jaggery or any sweetener of your choice. Cook it until all the sugar dissolves. The custard will be thick enough, and as the custard will cool down, it will continue to thicken. Once the custard has cooled down, transfer it into a bowl. The first step is to whisk the custard just to ensure that there are no lumps. Do it just for 30 seconds. So next I have some whipping cream here. This is already whipped. So finally the custard mix is ready. It is looking super light, airy and fluffy. And now it's time to assemble the pudding all together. I have fine chopped the strawberry, some banana. Make sure your banana is ripe. I'm putting some biscuits. You can use digestive biscuits, glucose biscuits, basically any biscuit of your choice. Just make sure you're not using the cream biscuits. The next layer that goes on top of the biscuits is the pudding mixture. Just spread it into a thin, even layer. The next layer is going to be one layer of bananas. Next comes in the chopped strawberry. Add another layer of the biscuits. Top it with another layer of custard. Then goes another layer of the bananas. And the chopped strawberries once again. And last is the final layer of custard on top. Using a spatula, you can flatten and smoothen it out. Set this custard in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour before serving. Now, while the custard is setting, I am going to make something. I'm going to cut out a heart. So this is going to become our stencil to make something cool on top of the custard. I am going to place the stencil that we just made on top of the pudding. Now here I have some powdered biscuit crumble. Spread it out evenly. Lift this paper out. So here it is. This is ready and it looks beautiful. Finally, I'm going to garnish it with some strawberry and a mint leaf. Hi guys, my name is Neha Deepak Shah. You guys are watching me on L.in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to L.